The traditional definition of the workplace is changing. Design teams need to collaborate over great distances and have the flexibility to get work done on the go. Choosing the right CAD tool is paramount. But what about the design data? How can it be stored securely but still provide convenient access at any time, anywhere? 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS offers industry-leading SOLIDWORKS desktop CAD, as well as powerful browser-based CAD solutions, all built from the ground up with secure and convenient cloud data management at its core. SOLIDWORKS Desktop provides dedicated tools and workflows that streamline the design and development of your products from concepts through to reality. Great designs typically start with a sketch. SOLIDWORKS makes this simple and straightforward. Even the most complex ideas are easy to realize with access to instant feedback and standard tools like the Hole Wizard, an extensive library of hole types built right in. SOLIDWORKS enables you to not only modify design dimensions, but also reuse geometry with a simple drag and drop, a great time saver. Because SOLIDWORKS is connected directly to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, you can easily find the components you need with a simple search. Components can be snapped together with ease, no clunky menus or confusing windows to navigate. SOLIDWORKS understands the mechanical relationship between components and can generate lifelike motion in even the most complex assemblies. Understanding the performance of your designs early in the design process is crucial to a successful product launch. SOLIDWORKS provides powerful tools that help you get to market ahead of time and with maximum quality. Documenting your designs is quick and easy. Simply start with a standard drawing sheet and snap 2D views into place. Projection views are created automatically, and section views are just a click away. Save time by importing dimensions straight from the 3D model, or create special dimensions and callouts with intuitive tools. Drawings in SOLIDWORKS are always up to date and contain accurate detail, like automatic bill of materials and item balloons, to make understanding the design easy for manufacturing and suppliers. With 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS, your design data is saved to the secure cloud, making it immediately available to your team and other stakeholders. Your data will always be safely backed up and controlled using maturity workflows and revision management, all without the need to purchase, install, or maintain expensive servers on premises. With 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS, you're no longer tethered to the office, as it includes powerful 3D CAD in a web browser. Build complex 3D parts and assemblies using an intuitive design interface. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform natively understands your CAD data, so you can reference it while creating messages to your team or while creating intelligent tasks to drive daily work. This streamlines your design process now that contributors don't have to spend time searching for the right documents. They can move forward with certainty, knowing that they're working on the correct document every time. The tight integration between the browser-based CAD tools and the powerful desktop tools allows files to be used interchangeably. Designing is no longer a function of how powerful your computer is, it's a function of where inspiration strikes. Customers demand great-looking products. Take advantage of subdivision modeling in the browser with 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS to create complex shapes that would be difficult to design using traditional 3D CAD methods. Just push and pull in the virtual clay environment to instantly see your product take shape. Also available with 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS is the ability to create high-quality, photorealistic renderings of your products using SOLIDWORKS Visualize. Creating renderings is easy. Drag and drop materials, colors, textures, and environments. Then, use the lightning-fast rendering engine with denoiser AI technology built in to effortlessly create eye-popping images or animations. As your business grows, the 3DEXPERIENCE platform grows with you. Validate your design decisions using Simulia. Take your project management to the next level with integrated project planning tools. Access powerful CAM functionality with Delmia, and so much more. The traditional definition of the workplace is changing, but that doesn't mean that progress comes to a halt. All of these powerful tools make it easy to go from concept to design to manufacture and beyond, no matter where your team members are located.